In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goal templates in Hubspot. Whether you're a new user or an experienced one, setting up goal templates is an essential skill to systematically track and manage your team's progress. So let's dive right in and demystify the process. First off, we'll begin by navigating to HubSpot's homepage. For those of you unfamiliar, HubSpot is a powerful CRM software suite designed to help businesses attract, engage, and delight their customers. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your personalized HubSpot home. This is your dashboard. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the navigation menu. Look for the tab labeled Reporting. It's this section where you'll manage various insights and, more importantly for us today, your goals. Upon clicking Reporting, the next step is straightforward. Look for the Goals section. This is where all your potential and existing goals are housed. You should see a button that says Create Goal. Click on it and this is where the magic begins. A new window should pop up signaling that you're on track. Now here's a time saver. HubSpot offers a range of pre-made goal templates which can significantly streamline the goal setting process. To access these templates, you'll need to click on the option that says Search, View and choose pre-made goal templates. This feature is particularly useful if you're unsure where to start or if you're aiming for industry standard benchmarks. Once you've accessed these templates, take a moment to browse through the options available. Each template is designed for different scenarios, so choose one that aligns with what you want to achieve for your team or project. By using templates, you're not only saving time but ensuring you're starting with a robust goal structure that has been refined by experts. And there you have it, the concise journey towards creating goal templates in HubSpot. Remember, this process is all about empowering you and your team to achieve better clarity and measurable success in your projects. With these templates, you can set clear, attainable goals that keep everyone aligned and motivated. As you continue to evolve with HubSpot, you'll find that these tools offer deeper analysis and reporting capabilities that are integral to a data-driven approach in managing your business activities. So, take the time to explore, customize, and make the most out of these features. Thank you for watching, and happy goal setting.